today it's Sunday, May 5, and here in Russia it's Easter Sunday today. So here they celebrate Easter like different from the Catholic, because in Catholic they celebrate it in April. Here in Russia, especially Orthodox people, they celebrated it May 5 because they follow the Julian calendar. So, samahan nyo kami na mag-celebrate ng Easter. So, meron kami dito parang traditional food pag Easter. This one, it's a cake, pero nakain na namin. Meron lang ako ipapakitang picture kung anong itsura ng cake. Parang traditional cake siya. Yun talaga yung piniprepare pag Easter. And then, of course, egg. Yesterday pala, dinala namin ito sa church. Parang binasbasan nila ang cake, egg, and butter, right? We bring butter and egg in the church. And then, we have cheese, different kinds of cheeses. We have some meat and sauce. Amen. First. How, like that? Oh.
Next.
In the front
Next
side. Okay. No. Who win?
You can both eat our eggs.
Okay.
Because who wins the egg? It means that it's not your eggs.
You can't eat the egg. Okay. So, yun pala. Anyway, we have a different religion with my husband. Siya Orthodox and ako is born again Christian. But nakikiselebrate lang din ako. Respect to each other. Kung pupunta ako sa church, pumupunta din siya, sinasamahan niya ako. Kaya kung pupunta siya sa church, sometimes pupunta din kami. Anyway, yung anak ko is natutulog pa. Nagising kanina around 4 a.m. She already woke up, so now she's asleep again.
Why?
The end of
winter.
spring?
End of winter, beginning of spring, summer. It's done.
Is it yesterday?
Yes, it's Saturday. That means that God give us one more year to live. It's never burn. Yes. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's not hot. It's not hot. What it means? What it means that holy fire?
God sends holy fire in the cave where Jesus Christ was buried. In Jerusalem.
In Jerusalem.
Every Easter, but only on Orthodox Easter.
On Orthodox Easter, yeah. They believe that pag merong holy fire, it means that another more year will come. Pag wala daw holy fire, it means that it's end of the world. So,
end of the times. Yes.
End of the times. Yun yung paniniwala nila. Dito pala sa Russia, guys. So weird because they have a horse sausage. This one. It's a horse sausage. Ito. And then this one is a sausage also from pork.
In Italian style.
But in Italian style. And then this one is a sheep meat. Binoboil lang namin ito.
Человеком ради человека, ради каждого из нас воплотился исправить человека. Понадобилось Богу стать человеком. Это премудрость. А еще премудрость в том, что сегодня в эту как раз Великую Субботу
Kami.
Дарчик Христе Божий наш слава.
Dan?
Спасибо.
So, it's lunchtime now and ito yung lunch namin. Ito ay tinatawag nilang, is it plov also? This is a kind of plov also but it cooks in different style. So, meron ako ipapakita kung paano ito niluluto. Actually, kahapon pa ito niluluto ng asawa ko. Kasi in the rule talaga, in the Easter, bawal bawal silang magtrabaho, ganun. So, lahat ng pagkain ay niluluto ng Saturday para sa Easter, wala na silang gagawin. So, this one niluto ng asawa ko, it's a sheep meat with rice and spices. So, let's try. So tasty, dear. Masarap siya. Yung asawa ko ang nagluto nito kasi actually siya nag-prepare lahat. Kasi magaling siya magluto sa akin. Kaya siya yung nagluluto. Hi guys! So, time check. It's 7:30 PM and dito kami ngayon sa park. Lumalabas kami ng konti. So, dito pala, pag springtime na, mas mahaba na yung araw kaysa gabi. Kahit 4 AM, maliwanag na. Unlike during winter na yung gabi is mahaba. What's that?